guys, it's Banana Man here. Today we have two things to unbox. We have the Samus Amiibo. Yes, we have an Amiibo to unbox. It's been a while. We also have this. This is the Funko Pop Fun Bun from Wreck-It Ralph 2. Ralph Breaks the Internet. We're going to go ahead and unbox both of these things here. Let's go ahead and start with the Fun Bun because I love me some pancakes. So as you can see, it's a little bit different from like normal Pops. It's like how the 6 inches are in their boxes. Okay, so. Here is the Fun Bun. We'll show you close-ups after. Now we have the Samus. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Let's just get right in. Okay. Let's get Whoa, fell right out like a hickey-doo.
You were one of those classic ones, traveling around the sun. You were one of those classic ones. I wish she knew you. You were one of those classic ones. Now everybody knows.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a like or subscribe, and thank you for watching. Skippity doo dah. Whoa, Jesus! The whole thing is falling off.
Just hold it.
Yeah, the whole thing is gonna. Yeah, I don't know.
You solved the cheese thing.
Oh.